Team coverage tonight on the coronavirus as it continues to spread globally. Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker advised all colleges, universities, and high schools to cancel their trips abroad. Some schools here in Western Mass now canceling their trips overseas. Western Mass News reporter Sarah Granelli begins our team coverage tonight. She joins us now in studio with more. Sarah?
Jordan, we spoke with a superintendent in Northampton who says their school trip to Italy could be canceled once it's approved by the school committee.
Exciting trips for high school students to Europe are being halted after the coronavirus continues to spread worldwide.
As you know, this morning the governor issued guidance really strongly advising schools to cancel all trips.
The governor of Massachusetts encouraging all colleges, universities, and high schools to cancel their trips abroad, something the superintendent of schools in Northampton, John Provost, is taking very seriously, possibly canceling a week-long trip for the high school Latin students going to Italy.
We believe this is an important step to take for the safety of our students and well as the health of the larger community.
Several high schools in Western Mass are following suit. In Greenfield Public Schools, a trip to Spain in April and others in the summer are being canceled. Wilbraham Munson Academy is also allowing students to stay on campus if they're unable to go home. Also, what would have been a fun trip to Italy and Denmark has been canceled for students in Westfield.
The high school, they had a field trip overseas to Italy that had been canceled. But at this point, as far as I know, all the other trips are on because the 8th graders usually go to Washington, D.C. And as far as I know, that's still happening.
Western Mass News caught up with a mother of 4, Stephanie Haskins. She tells Western Mass News schools are taking the necessary precautions.
At schools, they're just making sure they wash their hands and they're using a little extra hand sanitizer and not touching their face, all that kind of stuff.
The Northampton School Committee will vote next week on if students should or shouldn't go to Italy. In the studio, Sarah Granelli, Western Mass News.